Hello again and welcome back to Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can switch to a real trading account on the QU MATIX Trading Bot app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the QU MATIX Trading Bot app on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you'll end up within the trading page. Now by default, when you create your account, you will automatically be taken into the demo account trading mode. In order to switch this, just tap on the drop-down option at the top left corner, and now just tap on Real Account. Now, in order to activate your real account, you will need to deposit cash in order to start your trading. So tap on Deposit and then choose from the various different payment options that are available. After choosing your preferred method, just choose your amount, fill up the desired information, and then proceed with making your deposit. And as soon as the deposit is completed, you can start trading with your real account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch from a demo account into a real account on the QU MATIX Trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in another tutorial.